you know the obsession of the mind that you know it have trap doors and things of that nature. It states stuff about lurking notions, peculiar mental twists. This is all the things I learned from my sponsor that I passed on to other individuals that I sponsor. See, I got a mind that got peculiar mental twists, and it explains to me that this illness, to whatever I'm addicted to, is cunning, real sneaky, in other words, baffling. It really confused the heck out of me to believe that y'all really think I'm finna drink something I smoke. I'm not finna smoke. I'm just hanging out with y'all fellas, and then I'll find myself shooting dominoes with the same person, but I'm not knowing. Basically, what got me over there was I slipped back into that old way of thinking, my original way of thinking, that I can do this without fellowshipping and in steps with principles and principles and things to lead to a better outcome. So the slippery place, beware of when you go up there. See, this recovery channel is for anybody that wants to recover from anything. So the slippery place that most people talk about, run your ideas. Run what's going on with you with someone else. And keep coming back. I got some more things coming up. Hopefully we can go deeper right into this. So beware of enemy lines. The idle mind is a devil workshop. Keep coming back. Love y'all.